like I look very pale today. I don't know why. No idea, maybe it's the red lipstick? I do love a good red lip. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxyluxe for the month of April. It's March. But yes, that is right, you guys. I did get this box in the mail today, actually. So I have literally not opened this or anything, as you can see, without showing my entire address. The tape is still very much intact, and I'm super duper hyped. I apologize in advance if you can hear any construction sounds. My apartment building is getting a glow up. So that's very exciting, but they are doing a lot of hammering and a lot of construction. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. Alrighty, so for Boxyluxe, I do know one thing that we are getting in the box, but I don't know much of anything else. It says pretty edgy. That is the theme for this box, and I'm definitely not going to be looking at the back because these are the spoilers. And look how it's packaged. Oh, okay, so this is the first thing in here. I did see this. I totally forgot. I did see this. I saw this, not this month, but last month. A few people were showing this. This is the Hello Charmer palette from Boxycharm. It's made by Boxycharm, so that's very cool. I personally don't know how I feel about stuff like this. Hopefully it's good. I'll definitely try it out and see. Maybe I'll do like a video, like, is the Boxycharm palette any good? That'd be kind of cool, but I genuinely don't know how I feel about Boxycharm putting their own stuff like this in there. I think it's taken up an item. I would personally prefer something else, like a brand palette or something, but it is cool. I'll try it out and see what I think. Okay, I've got some earrings. I had no idea that Boxyluxe was doing earrings now. These are actually pretty cute. I do like earrings. Wow, these are $32. I just saw on the back, these are $32. But these are actually really pretty. I do like wearing earrings. Yeah, look at that. That's super cute, actually. Okay, I like the earrings. The earrings are definitely a win. I do like those a lot. Looks like we got some minis in here. This is different to have like minis. Huh. So this is the thing that I saw definitely, and I love this color. Oh my god, I'm so happy I got this color. This is the PMD Smart Facial Cleansing Device. This is really cool. I really love things like Foreo, even though I don't have one. But those little Foreo cleanser thingies, I've always wanted to get one, but I just haven't. I don't know why. But this I'm really freaking hyped about. It's just a facial cleaner. And then it's got its own little stand right here, and it does come with a battery. So you put your cleanser on this and you go over your face, and then like apparently you're really supposed to get inside your pores and get your makeup off. So this I'm super duper into, and I am very hyped to get this, and I will definitely be using this. It's gonna go like inside my shower. This is the, I have gotten this before. This is the Sol de Janeiro Coco Cabana cream. I have gotten this before, I do believe, in like a previous Boxy, but it was in like a bigger size. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think they had one of these in a bigger size at some point before. It's really nice. I actually gave the one that I had to my mom because I didn't really know what to do with it. I didn't really want to use it as a moisturizer because I do think it does have fragrance. It smells good, whatever it is. I personally like the smell of it, but I don't really want to use fragrance in like a moisturizer or something, but I think you can use this just kind of like all over your body and a bunch of other places. Where else would you use it? That's what I meant, like your body. Anyways, but this is really cute. I've never really seen Boxyluxe give out minis like this. That's definitely kind of different. Next up we have this from Murad. This is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Oh, fun. I do love, I was gonna say moisture under eyes, but I do love products for your under eyes. This is really cool. I do love things to brighten up your under eyes or to make them more moisturized. Oh, that's nice. Actually, I keep smelling this. Now that I've like really stuck my nose into it, I keep smelling it and I like it. This feels really nice. This feels very moisturizing, and it does feel like it would really give your eyes some like massive hydration, so that's nice. Next in the box, oh my god, I love these. I love these. I'm so excited to have these. Literally love them. I put these in my hair all the time. So I know what these are. These are the Invisibobble originals. I love these so much. I am happy to get some of these in a Boxycharm because these are really good. This smells really good. Next up, oh, we've got another one. This is kind of random, guys. I don't know. This is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I know this stuff is like a cult favorite. Everyone loves this stuff. Like, does this not seem like so random to you guys? I don't know. I mean, I'm happy to have them. I'll definitely use them, but like, this seems very random. Like, they're putting in like minis, and I don't see how this goes towards like pretty edgy for the theme. I don't know. I like it. It's just different and I'm not used to it. What do you guys think about this? I'll definitely use this one. I'll use both, but I'll use this first because I do like the Boom Boom Cream. Next up we have, oh, this is from Becca. It's the Love Skin Glow Glaze Stick. Cool, so this is a highlighter. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Is this a highlighter? What is this? Oh, translucent highlighter. It's supposed to give a dewy sheen to the skin. Oh, cool. So if you don't want to actually wear like a blinding highlight, you can do something like this and it gives you, it is very, very sheeny. Like, that's really nice and pretty. It kind of makes you look wet or dewy. I will absolutely try this out. This seems like it'd be something that's like super up my alley. Next up, it seems like that is the last thing in the box. It is, we have, please don't fall over. Oh, this is from NARS. Okay, this is Power Matte Lip Pigment. It's in the shade Give It Up. Ooh. Okay, here's what this looks like. This is exciting. I'm so hyped about this. This is cool. This is a matte liquid lipstick, and the shade is kind of like a purpley type of shade. This is very, very cool. I have never tried a NARS lip pigment before. This is a very cool shade. It is quite plummy. It seems like a nice color that you would wear during like fall or winter time. We are getting more into spring and summer, but I still think this is nice. The packaging feels fantastic for this. Like, this seems like a nice quality product, really. I definitely like this color. I'm still gonna wear it even though it is quite bold. I'll wear it with an eye look like this, to where it's like very simple eye, bold lip. I'm excited, but I'm super hyped about this. And that is everything that is in the box for this month, or for this season rather, because BoxyCharm is like every 3 months. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the little pamphlet here, and then we'll do some full-size prices. Okay, so the Murad, oh wow. Oh, starting off on a hefty one. The Murad Moisture for Eyes right here is $70. That's a lot. The Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream and the Duo right here and the Coco Cabana is $15 for the 2 minis. The Hello Charmer palette right here, this is $39. This PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device is $99, so it's $100 basically. And then this NARS lipstick is $25. The Becca Skin Glow right here is $28. And the Invisibobble hair ties right here are $8. Ooh, the hoop earrings, these right here are $32. So you guys, this is definitely a good quality box in my opinion. It is $317 and I paid $50 for this box. This is not sponsored, by the way. I feel like I need to say that just because I know some of the stuff in here can be quite hit or miss. So it is not sponsored whatsoever, but this stuff, I'm actually very happy with this box. I want to take back what I said previously because I did not realize these came in like a set. I thought it was just kind of something that they just threw in. It would have made a little more sense if it would have came in like its own little package or something like that, but I genuinely really like this box. I will say this right here. The only thing that I don't really care much for is this. I bet it's still really good. I'm going to try it out and use it. Let me know if you want to see a review on it because I'm actually quite curious. But I would have preferred something else than this, but it's fine. This lipstick for sure. This right here from Becca, the little glow stick. And actually, these 4 things right here I'm like mega excited about, and then I am still excited about these 2 things right here. I'm not disappointed in this box at all. Hi, this is Kenzie from the future. How are you? If you haven't seen, hi, I have a new hairstyle. Hope you like it. I'm really enjoying it, but I wanted to also unbox the BoxyCharm X Fenty box for you guys. I just got this in the mail today and I really wanted to unbox this as well. Let's go ahead and unbox this one as well, and then we'll kind of see. I mean, editing Kenzie will see how the value was of this box. It's not on the same day. I filmed the last box, the Boxyluxe unboxing, the one that you just saw like a few days ago, and now it's a few days later. Opening this up here, the inside is super cool. Look at that. That's really, really nice, and it's so cool that Fenty collabed with Boxy to do this whole box. There's just so many cool things. Okay, so the biggest thing right here, as you can see, this is a palette. I think this is one of their older ones, the Moroccan Spice palette. She's a beaut. Look at that. So pretty. And then here's what the palette looks like. It does look really, really nice. I'm not gonna swatch anything right now, but this does look very, very pretty. And next up we have, ooh, it's a kilowatt highlighter. This is, oh gosh, this is Trophy Wife. We all have seen the Trophy Wife highlighter. I personally cannot use this as a highlight, but it is beautiful. Like, if you use this as an eyeshadow, I could use it as an eyeshadow and it would be absolutely freaking ridiculous. Like, it would be stunning as an eyeshadow, if I'm being totally honest. But that's really, really nice. I wonder if they'll keep doing these collabs with other brands, or like, that's really cool that they're doing that. Next up we have, okay, so these are blotting papers. I personally do not use blotting paper because my skin is so dry, so I do not need this. I think it's cool that it comes in the box. I would definitely give this to someone that does need it. I think this is really cool though, but not something that I can personally use. 3 more things in the box. This one right here is called the Match Stick, the Shimmer Skin Stick. I don't know if this is I'm in the shade Blonde, or I got the shade Blonde. I don't know if this is a highlight stick. It is. Yeah, it's like a highlight stick. It's very gold. Again, I can't really use this. I think this is a really cool idea, but I feel like Boxy should really pay more attention to the profiles that we have. Like, they should know what our skin type is and know that I wouldn't be able to use this, and they should know what my skin tone is and know that this is going to be far too dark for me. I feel like, I mean, I've got 3 products that I cannot use. So this is kind of a shame. 2 more things. First one is, ooh, a plush matte lipstick. Very cool, and this shade does look nice. It's called Single. Oh, that's pretty. I've never used one of these before. That is a pretty shade. Let me swatch it. Ooh, that is a super pretty shade. I would absolutely wear that. Definitely, this one's a good one. I would absolutely wear this. And then last up, but certainly not least, we got a gloss bomb. I love her gloss bombs. This is in the shade Diamond Milk, which is my favorite shade of gloss bomb they have. So I absolutely love this one. Of course, this one's beautiful. And that is everything that is in the Fenty Beauty box. So I will tally up everything and show you how much everything was. The Kilowatt Trophy Wife highlighter is $36. The Shimmer Skin Stick is $25. The Moroccan Spice palette is $29. The Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk is $19. Matte liquid lipstick is $18, and the blotting papers are $16. So you get a value of $143 in this box. Definitely not too bad. I mean, you do pay, what is it, 35 for a BoxyCharm Premium, so definitely not too bad. I do think you do get quite a bit of return. I am a little disappointed in this, but also because 3 products I cannot use, like literally at all. I will get no use out of them, and which is really sad. I mean, I could try to use this as an eyeshadow, but it's not what it's meant for. So if I were to do that, it would be like pushing it. Kind of a shame. Boxy should pay more attention to someone's skin type and skin tone when it comes to doing that, unless they were only sending out 1 shade, like of the Trophy Wife, and it was like a kind of an exclusive thing. I didn't read about all of that. But if they were sending out multiple shades of highlight, then they should read the subscriber's profile before sending them something that's too light or too dark for them. And then for this palette, it is very, very cute. I am excited to play with it and try it out. I kind of wonder why Boxy decided to do a very old palette. Like, I believe that Moroccan Spice palette came out like Christmas 2 years ago. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it is quite an old palette. I don't know, I enjoyed it. It was pretty good overall. I'm excited to see if they do anything else with other brands and stuff. But yeah, I will say this is probably like It's an okay box for me. It's not the best and it's not the greatest. Yeah, you guys, I will hand it back to previous Kenzie and then we'll end the video. But that is going to be the end of the video today, guys. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!